Hi, I'm attorney Pressley Henningsen with RSH Legal. If you believe your loved one is a victim of a serious nursing home abuse or neglect in Iowa, you may think hiring an attorney is the only way to get justice. However, there are pros and cons to hiring a lawyer for a possible Iowa nursing home abuse claim. Unless your loved one has suffered serious injuries or a wrongful death because of a nursing home's negligence, it may not be worth it to get an attorney involved. There are a couple reasons for this. The biggest issue is one of cost. Simply put, it can cost $50,000 or even more to investigate a serious nursing home abuse claim and take it to jury trial. This high cost is due to hiring experts for the case, investigating claims of abuse, and preparing for trial. If your loved one was not seriously or permanently injured, you may decide that hiring a lawyer isn't a good financial decision for your family. It also may not make sense to put your family through a rigorous, somewhat invasive process like a nursing home negligence claim. During the case, you may hear details about the abuse that your loved one endured. And that can be a very emotional experience, and some people find it too stressful to handle. However, serious nursing home abuse and neglect claims are complex cases. And when you bring a case against a facility, the burden of proof is on you to show that the nursing home was negligent and that their negligence resulted in your loved one's serious injuries or death. This is more difficult and expensive than you may initially think. A complete investigation of the incident is the only way to know what happened. The first part of that investigation involves the Iowa Department of Inspections and Appeals. Iowa law requires you to ask the Department of Inspections and Appeals to do an investigation into the incident to learn if it was neglect or abuse. You can do this part of the investigation yourself. You contact the Iowa Department of Inspections and Appeals either by phone or mail. You can even do it by email. The IDIA will investigate your claim and report back to whether they found evidence of nursing home abuse or neglect. This report will be crucial to proving your loved one was injured because of the nursing home's fault. If your report was substantiated, meaning they found evidence of abuse or neglect, then your next step is to call an Iowa experienced nursing home abuse lawyer. Most attorneys offer free initial consultations where you can explain the abuse or neglect and show them any evidence you've collected, including whatever you've received from the Iowa Department of Inspections and Appeals. If an attorney decides to take your case, they will inform you of the next steps to take. Keep in mind you only have 2 years from the date your loved one was harmed to file a lawsuit or settle your claim. This is known as the statute of limitations. And 2 years can pass deceptively quickly. So it's a good idea to contact an experienced Iowa nursing home abuse lawyer as soon as possible. If you'd like more information about Iowa nursing home claims, including 10 things to know if you suspect nursing home abuse or neglect, download your free copy of the Law Guide to Iowa Nursing Home Abuse Claims.